currently live here in Oswego, where the visibilities have gone from uh, fairly good, from about 7, 8 miles with light snow flurries, to under 2 mile visibilities. Those towers that you can barely see, they're about a mile and a half, 2 miles away. So yeah, visibilities have definitely decreased. It's still very cold outside, but the snow is becoming a little bit more convective. It's becoming something typical that you see during nor'easters. It's not those slow falling dendrites you had earlier. In fact, look, roads starting to become a little snow covered. That wasn't there this morning. This is not from the snow squall. Slush is, but that white stuff in the road, that's from now. Getting some more lake effect snow. Again, this is not from the storm system. The snow from the storm system is not expected to arrive until nightfall, until at least 10 p.m. The models have shown that the storm system, that the snow from the storm system is not expected to arrive until at least 7 or 8 p.m. And it's only 3 in the afternoon right now, with moderate snow, light and moderate snow here in Oswego. Visibilities are decreasing. The problem is the radar site, the one in the Tug Hill Plateau, is down. So I cannot estimate or look at the radar. But I've been looking at the Binghamton radar, and it doesn't show anything over us. That's looking about 8,000 feet up. So these are low clouds that are producing the snow. These snow clouds are only a few thousand feet up, and they're only maybe 1,000 feet thick. But because it's so cold, every little bit of moisture is being squeezed out in the form of these snow showers. This is not a snow squall. This is light to moderate snow. The accumulation rate is definitely low. It's about, I would say, quarter, half an inch an hour. You're not really going to get any accumulation from this. I mean, there's a little bit on the cars. If I could zoom in, see, starting to accumulate near the windshield wipers a little bit. But last night we had a very potent snow squall. I have not uploaded it yet, but I'm going to. There was thunder snow. The problem, you can't really hear the thunder. There was a pretty good thunderclap, though. It was so windy outside, and I had trouble with panning in and out because my phone was so wet. So the water was affecting the screen a little bit. Wow, 16 views. Huh? It's a little bit more than I expected. Yeah, lake effect snow here in Oswego. If you try to find the snow on the radar, you won't find it. Clouds are too low. The only radar site that might find it is currently down. It's called KTYX, I believe. Actually, let me look at the radar site. KBGM will not find the snow. Radar site KTYX is down for maintenance. This is pretty good time for it to be down for maintenance. Because we're not in severe weather season. We don't get severe weather now. And this is just light nuisance snow. This is what is considered like a nuisance snow. Like, you're not getting winter storm criteria snow. You're going to be getting that tonight and tomorrow, with the worst of the weather expected tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon, when some really heavy snow bands are expected to come through, possibly with some thunder snow. There was thunder snow last night, and I'm going to upload that to YouTube. This was not a live stream. Because at midnight, around 1 a.m., my data shuts off, so I can't. And, I didn't want to trust the Wi-Fi, because last time I did that during a live stream, it was really bad. So just taking it clear, visibilities have actually slightly decreased since my live stream started. Visibilities are now closer to a mile now. The clouds above us, these are technically stratocumulus clouds, but because they're precipitating, the definition is stratocumulonimbus. This is not the thunderstorm cumulonimbus. You're not getting these thunderstorm towers. You're getting stratoform cumulus clouds that are producing precipitation. So if this was just stratus, it would be stratonimbus. But because these are cumulus clouds, it's stratocumulonimbus without the thunderheads. So this is not a thunderstorm cloud. This is not a thunderstorm. This is just lake effect snow. The clouds that produce lake effect snow is technically stratocumulonimbus, but they can be fully fledged cumulonimbus in certain conditions. Like they could have very tall cloud tops, especially if it's early fall. You could get a lot of convection because the lake temperature could be close to 70 degrees while the surface temperature is in the 50s, while the temperature at 5,000 feet, 850 millibar level is below freezing. And that's a perfect setup for thunderstorms and even not just grapple, but hail. You could get hail, lake effect snow, lake effect thunderstorms with hail if there's enough convection. So the grapple is a precursor to hail. If you get grapple, and that's a precursor to hail. Grapple is in fact called hail embryo. And yeah, see, snow starting a little heavier now. So that visibility, that over the tower there was a drop in visibility. Yeah, that was that little burst of snow. All right, I'm going to be ending my live stream now. Weather conditions in Oswego: light and moderate snow, light winds from the west. I'm going to check the radar. No hablo español. I do not speak Spanish. I understand a few words in Spanish. No sebe. I do not understand what that means. Please use Google Translate. Google Translate, por favor.